Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're going camping, some off-roading, and enjoying these incredible views behind me. So let's get going. So this bin is from Cabela's, plano bin, super helpful. I'm gonna get more of these dividers. It really breaks things up, so you can have like the kitchen set up, and then you can have whatever else you need. I'll get it dialed, and then we'll make a video on it. But for now, let's get packed up and head out. I recently got this new multi-tire inflation and deflation kit from Morflate, and my favorite part so far is how easy it is to set up and the accuracy it provides. It is accurate to 0.1 psi. We followed my buddy Jared down this new trail towards a campsite he has been raving about. The trails are pretty muddy this time of year here in southern Alberta, but we love it.
Jared driving or like out the window or whatever.
You know when you start looking at the sky and it's hard to see where you're going, that it's starting to get steep? We gained elevation pretty quickly going up this mountain to find our spot for the rest of the night. So we get HelloFresh meals from time to time, so I thought might as well take one camping, test it out. It's nice because everything, you know, is in the bag, and it's a good way to cook meals. This is not sponsored by HelloFresh, so it's nice you just have everything that you need to cook. We're gonna grill up some potatoes in the pan, same with the burgers. cast iron pan on the fire, and it's going to be a delicious meal.
Scared of that because I once cut my thumb way super deep. Yeah, when I was younger.
We'll just do it slowly.
I ran into
Hang it with me.
that gets beyond where I think it's attractive.
I shouldn't have stopped.
At the start of the end, here comes your white knight. Got a foot on the edge, looking over the ledge, and everything will be just fine. Turning inside out, falling out of time. If it's the final story, it's death and glory, and tomorrow the song will rise and we'll start over again. We'll write a different story. Start over again. A tale of gods and glory. You gotta put up a fight or fade away. When it's all coming towards you, backed into a corner, it's time to find a way. Don't back down, just keep going. At the turn of the tide, only help you can find is the will to carry on. We'll write a different story.
Yeah.
A tale of gods and glory. I'll leave my past behind.
After a delicious meal around the campfire, we tossed on some more logs and enjoyed the remaining sunset. It was supposed to get down to -5 degrees tonight, so as soon as the sun disappeared, it started to get pretty chilly, especially for this time of year in May. What's up, everyone? Got down pretty chilly last night, like -8. But thankfully, this heated blanket did work. I figured it out. If you have a Blue Yeti or another unit, usually it runs off of 60 hertz for the AC inverter. But if you switch it to 50 hertz, the heated blankets work. So if you're ever struggling with that, that could help your issues. It definitely helps when it's like -5, -8. I'll convert that to Fahrenheit on the screen. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's like 6 a.m. Sun comes up early now that it's spring, summer. And yeah, let's get a coffee and cook some breakfast. Coffee. keep the compressor and the moor plate in the same box. Thanks for watching today's video, everyone, and exploring with me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your thoughts of the video and how you like the new Summit off-road wheels. There's going to be lots more camping and off-roading videos coming soon. I'm getting a rooftop tent from Go Overland Canada. As you're going to see, I changed up the drawer system a lot. We're getting rock sliders put on and a bunch of other changes, whole new suspension setup. So stay tuned, lots of videos to come. And I look forward to catching you in the next one.